Hello everyone, it is my pleasure to share my topic here. My name is Shiling, a PhD candidate from Zhejiang University. Now let me show you my research on the philosophy of consciousness. My research topic is a comparative study of the consciousness theory of Crick and Edelman. Crick and Edelman did the pioneering work of consciousness. In their impact, more and more neuroscientists began to come out with different theories of consciousness. I think Crick and Edelman's theories of consciousness are the combination of philosophy and science. Crick chose vision as a breakthrough in the study of consciousness. He searched for the minimal neural mechanism of brain producing consciousness and put forward the theory of neuronal correlates of consciousness. Meanwhile, Edelman put forward a global brain theory to explain the neural mechanism of brain producing consciousness from the perspective of evolution, which he called neuron group selection theory. I analyzed Crick and Edelman's work on consciousness and think their theories are complementary. I compare the similarity and difference between Crick and Edelman's views in the definition and function of consciousness, research flavor, and philosophical position of consciousness. So, what is the difference between Crick and Edelman's definition of consciousness? Crick defined consciousness in 4 dimensions. Consciousness is inner mental life. Consciousness is a series of actions and behaviors. Consciousness is the smallest physiological tissue required for any conscious experience. In philosophy, consciousness is what it's like to feel something. And Edelman thinks we all know what consciousness is. It is what you lose on dystrophy or coma, and it is what you regain after emerging from this stage. And consciousness is not a thing, it is a process. They also have some common understanding of the phenomenon of consciousness. They both think about the function of consciousness from the perspective of human evolution. Next, let me introduce their theories in short. What is NCC? NCC is a necessary condition to produce consciousness. It involves the firing activity of neurons in prefrontal cortex and the same time. It may be related to the activity of one or several special types of neurons. About TNGS, Edelman saying the brain is a selection system, not a common system. He applied selectionism to brain function and pointed out the neuron Darwinism have 3 principles: developmental selection, experimental selection, the in-chain. In my opinion, Crick and Edelman also pay attention to the neural mechanism of brain, but their standpoint is different. Thus, Crick focused on the smallest neural mechanism of consciousness, while Edelman focused on the global consciousness. By comparing the 2 different ideas of Crick and Edelman in the study of consciousness, my article explores the complementary of their consciousness research theories. In my conclusion, Edelman's physiological standpoint provides another possibility to explain the mind-body relationship. Edelman thinks that the experience of consciousness is non-conscious schedule. There is no corresponding conscious relationship between the philosophical aspect of the consciousness and the experience of consciousness. Compared with Crick's strong physicalism standpoint, Edelman's philosophical standpoint is more reasonable. Edelman's dual monism provides methodological guidelines for the research of consciousness, which enable us to avoid the dilemma of reductionism. Here are the references. Thank you so much. Please contact me if you have any questions.